our channel Elliott Wave counts. Today is 22nd July, which is Tuesday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. After market closing tomorrow, Google is coming with the earnings known as Alphabet. So let's see what's Google holding in the charts for us and how to take it forward. So this is just a Renko chart for the Google. I was not able to see it clearly, but I wanted to see, where the equilibrium sets over here. Right now, in recent equilibrium is around 150, and earlier it was around 750. If you see that, you can see it from the chart before going. It doesn't give me any clue, but for the future and to see the structure and chart patterns, I do utilize this. So I know I see that there is a cup and handle was developed over here, or some other patterns if you want to call it as well. And what we are seeing, this could be leading to me head and shoulders. If head and shoulders happening, this will be failing over here, and we might be going downwards. How downwards we are going? First we will test somewhere around 166 if it happens. If it doesn't stop, then 148. And on the upper hand, we are looking at the target of 220 minimum. How we will see it, if you see the runs, the minimum run is making it $70. So based on that, just random number, there is no technical analysis or anything, just by looking at the chart, 220 looks fair to me based on this patterns by looking at the chart only. Now let's see the Elliott wave. I just want to see the characteristic. This is my wave 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if it's fifth ending or not, or whether it's 1. This is my first wave. 2, who cares about it? But the characteristic is first wave ran this wave, whatever this wave is, it was multiplication of 2.27 of the very first wave. As earlier I was saying, this is my cup over here, and this is the handle. If you see the beauty about it, this run up was $63 and it came down 22. When there is a cup and handle being developed, and if you see it stopping around 30 to 50%, then these are your entry points. You can counter Elliott wave counts happening as well. I see the Elliott waves over here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth ended over here, and this is the correction over here. So that way we can easily see what's going to happen. I will not call it easily, but that gives you the clue, and then you have to start watching the volume profile. And if you see the earnings, Google has been reporting since 2023, same around March, it's been reporting all earnings good. So let's see if it's gonna continue that momentum. We come back to our 2023 scenario there, the waves I was showing it to you. So based on that, this is my 3-4 where my fifth wave would end. Normally it's ended already at 200 and we are seeing the correction, and if it fails over here, this will be inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this will be the right shoulder. Earlier I was talking, and that proves what I'll be watching is volume. If you see the volume over here, it's increasing, and that's the beauty about it. Volume increases, you know why, what's happening. And recently the volume what we have seen in Google, we have not seen before. That's a buying volume, and I do not have to explain what happens when there is a buying volume. On the Elliott wave, there is a way of doing the channels over here. So basically the lowest point of the wave 2 and the highest point of wave 1, you connect it with the lowest point of wave 3, and you start drawing that channel, and that gives you the idea whether what channel we are going to follow. So that way I have it here. We went down over here. Now this is the new channel. I will show it to you what's happening. This is the same projection I was doing. If I do cup and handle target, it's coming to 212.19, but 220 is based on the Elliott wave. If there is an extension, we might be looking at 230 on the Google, but of course 200 is the psychological number, and it was a previous all-time high as well. So let's see how we do tackle 200 right now. Surprisingly, we've been seeing good data on the Elliott, I will say on the Google. We've been seeing the buying, good buying happening. I will show you later on this. In this one, this is the same chart I was trying to show you over here. So based on this Elliott wave, this is my Elliott wave projection over here. There is first one coming at 212 as well. The next one is coming around 230, and if it's going to run up, it's 250. But why we talk about it, very first what we are seeing is 213 to 220, the stuff after we clear 200. So this is just a prediction I'm showing you. So earlier, if you see that this channel, actually it's very interesting. There is a tug of war happens over here when it's nearby the channel. Mostly this journey, what happened early stage of wave 3, it was just maintaining this channel over here, center line. Now the breakout happened over here 3, then it's fluctuating more, and it's become wild. But now the clues we are getting, the volume is building up continuously on Google, surprisingly in last 1 month to say actually, and that's very positive sign for the stock. This is my delta on a daily basis. If you see the delta as Google's delta, the volume delivery, right, it's somewhere around 70k. It's not never crossing high. So I will say our absolute delta is lying around somewhere around 70 to 80k. But when we are seeing the buying, if you see this continuously buying happening, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, 180 consistent, yesterday, today, and prior to this one, we have seen selling happening last week, but only 2 occasions. Otherwise, everything was being bought on Google. This is my point of control. Price wise, 2025 stands at 172. What does it mean? It will provide a good support in a time to come, and this is since 2024. It's 165. So those supports are very close to each other. And if you see this gap over here, this one, I think this one will act as a good support, which will be 165 if it's going to go down. So Google it is. Also, I would like to show you the data that I was talking to you. So mostly over here on the left hand side, if you see that, you will see the green delta means buying deliveries are being taken. It's buyers were more than the sellers. In the middle part, there was just a minor dip on the rate. Actually, the rate went up, I mean selling went higher, and that's where we seen the profit profit booking coming, or whatever you want to call it, shorts, new shorts. But even a minor push is taking Google higher actually on the delta. And then we've seen again over here, and we are completely out of red right now. Yes, it can come tomorrow, but the way it's going, the volume, it's building up, and whenever this is happening, mostly we are going to go higher. So let's see if we can cross 200 this time, or what we are going to see, 180 or 166. So these are the key levels to watch for it, as we are talk about it. 166 and close about 195 with the strong volume. Those are the things I'll be looking tomorrow after the close. And resistance, very first, we will be looking around 220, and even if we achieve 220, the next one is 230 and 250. So that's Google. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, comments. I do have the Elliott Wave accounts on WhatsApp as well, where I put the updates frequently. I will say frequently means once a daily, not during the live market. I do post it after market, because mostly my profile is basically a swing trades. I do not do intra trades or anything, but I keep an eye on the market before opening and after close. Thank you for watching, and happy investing. Thanks.